Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If a train travels 95 km in 1 hour, it will cover a distance of how many kilometer in the month of June, traveling continuously. So number of days in the month of June, we can say it is 30. So we also know that the number of hours in a day or in one day is 24 hours. Therefore, we can find out the number of hours in 30 days using unitary method. So 30 multiplied by 24. This we have written using unitary method. So this multiplication will give 720 hours. So now we know that the number of hours in 30 days is 720 hours. So it is given that a train travels in 1 hour. So this distance is given 95 km, and we have to find that it will travel in the month of June, or you can say in 720 hours how much distance. So we again will use unitary method and we can write it will travel in 720 hours. So the distance is 720 multiplied by 1 hour distance, that is 95 km. So this multiplication will give 68,400 km. So this is the answer.